In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text in Canva. Let's start right inside Canva. First, open the design you want to work on in the Canva editor. This can be any design at all: a presentation, a social media post, a flyer, or even a document. Just make sure you're in the main editing view where you can see your canvas in the center and your tools around it. Now, look for the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a single word, a short phrase like "learn more," or even a full sentence. Click once on the text box to select it, then click and drag across the specific words you want to link so they are highlighted. You'll notice that when your text is highlighted, a small formatting toolbar appears close to the text. On that small toolbar, find the option for more settings. It usually looks like 3 dots or a similar more options icon. Click that and additional tools will appear. Among these extra tools, look for the one labeled Link. Click the Link option and a small pop-up will appear with a field that says Enter a link or search. This field is where you decide what your text will link to. You have 2 main choices. The first option is to link to another page within the same Canva design. This is great for multi-page presentations, guides, or portfolios where you want to jump from one page to another. To do that, simply type the page number you want to link to into the search field. Canva will show you matching results, and you can click the correct page from that list. The second option is to link to an external website. To do this, paste or type the full URL of the page you want people to visit. Make sure it's correct and complete so the link works properly when someone clicks it. You may also see an option to choose how the link is displayed, such as link or embed, depending on the type of content you're connecting to. Pick the display mode that best fits what you need. Once you're happy with your settings, click Done. You'll see that your selected text is now underlined or styled as a hyperlink, depending on your design. That's it. Your text is now linked in Canva and ready to be clicked when you present, share, or download your design in a compatible format.